Here we go, home from mom.
That this is like a superstorm. We will talk about the storm 5, 10, 20 years from now. So, give yourself plenty of time to get home, and if you need to find out, like if you have some plans for tonight, if you want to see if it's still happening, just check out our website for closings at itakebig.com, right on the homepage.
In the dead of winter, it's hard to imagine that some people are sitting on the beach in the Caribbean enjoying 85-degree days in the sunshine. But why imagine it when it could be you? The latest big getaway from Big 100.3 takes you to one of the most culturally rich countries on the planet, Jamaica. 5 days and 4 nights at the all-inclusive Sunset Beach Resort and Spa in Montego Bay could be your next vacation. But the only way you'll ever win it is by putting in the keyword Jamaica at idigbig.com.
This moment made possible by Navy Federal Credit Union, now empowering you to bank anywhere. This is the moment when you decide if you can afford a steak dinner, when you buy a 19-inch TV or transfer cash and get a 42-inch. The moment when you head home to pay loans or continue chasing the sunset, because balance inquiries, money transfers, and loan payments now only involve texting commands from your cell. So this moment only takes a moment. Mobile banking, new from Navy Federal Credit Union. Learn more at NavyFederal.org.
At USAA, we stand behind some core beliefs. We believe the insurance industry puts far too much effort into getting you to switch and far too little effort into actually making you want to stay. We believe you have better things to do.
Charge again.